Sony PXW-Z90V review. The 4K palm cam that'll shame your DSLR. Too good to be this tiny? You ever hit record, cross your fingers, and hope your footage doesn't come out looking like a pixelated potato? You're juggling focus, framing, and lighting with gear that's either too clunky or too basic. You want broadcast quality video, but your setup feels like it belongs in a student film from 2009. You're tired of missing moments because your camera hesitates. Or worse, autofocus decides to play hide and seek. It's exhausting. The dream of professional content creation starts to feel like a distant, overly edited YouTube fantasy. Trust us, you're not alone. But let's get real. When every second counts, live events, weddings, corporate gigs, or content you can't reshoot, you can't afford gear that flakes. That creeping dread when the autofocus locks onto a random chair instead of your subject? Crushing. Or when your camera struggles in low light and turns your footage into a muddy mess? Maddening. You've got deadlines, expectations, and a reputation to uphold. And without the right camcorder, burnout's knocking hard, whispering, just give up already. That's not you. You're built for better. Enter the Sony PXW-Z90V 4K HDR Compact NXAM camcorder, a miracle packed in a palm-sized beast. With its 1-inch XMR or CMOS sensor, fast hybrid AF, and instant HDR workflow, this isn't just a camcorder, it's a time machine that zaps stress and delivers pro-level footage instantly. No more endless color grading. No more missed focus. Just pure cinematic power, in your hands. Whether you're shooting in the dark or flying live on YouTube, this cam's got your back with super slow MO at 960 frames per second, 3G SDI, and simple live streaming that makes even grandma a tech whiz. Imagine this. Razor-sharp 4K. Rich color profiles. Dual card slots that save your bacon when card 1 fills mid-shot. Built-in Wi-Fi for instant uploads. S-Log 3 and HLG profiles for HDR magic without a film school degree. You get Sony's legendary Zeiss 29mm lens with clear image zoom up to 48x. This thing doesn't just capture moments, it owns them. Your workflow gets smoother, your confidence skyrockets, and your creativity? Unleashed. This isn't just a camcorder. It's your on-set therapist, creative coach, and workflow wizard in one. So what are you waiting for? The pros are already on board. This camera is shaking up weddings, documentaries, indie films, and viral content across the globe. Stock is limited because pros aren't sleeping on it anymore, and neither should you. Don't let another shoot slip through shaky autofocus and dull resolution. Hit that link. Grab the Sony PXW-Z90V before it disappears. Create like a pro, shoot like a boss, and never apologize for killer content again. Let's go.